Meaning of Indian.
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 Indian. The term Indian has multiple meanings depending on the context. It can refer to people who are native to or hold citizenship in India, a country in South Asia. Indian may also describe people or things related to or originating from the indigenous peoples of the Americas. In another context, Indian could refer to the cuisine, culture, or art forms of India. Additionally, Indian can be used as an adjective to describe something that is characteristic of or related to India. Overall, the meaning of Indian depends on the context and can have different interpretations.